Hi everyone, welcome back to Universe Sam. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to find the MAC address and serial number of your laptop. So let's get started. Let's start with the MAC address. There are two ways you can find out the MAC address of your laptop. Method number one is through Control Panel. Go to your Windows search bar, Control Panel, go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Here, click on Change Adapter Settings. This is your Wi-Fi. Click on it and click on this View Status of this connection. Go to Details, and there you go. Your MAC address is given here. This physical address is actually your MAC address. The second method to get your MAC address is through Command Prompt. Go to Windows Search, type CMD to get the command prompt, and here just type getmac, and this will give you your MAC address, and it's the same one as we got from the previous method. Now let's find out the serial number of your laptop. Again, you do it through the command prompt. So Windows Search, CMD to get command prompt, and here type this. I will write it down in the description box also. WMIC space BIOS space get serial number. And this is your serial number. So this is it for our video today. If you have any questions and comments, please write down in the comments below. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Take care.